Some plus. Here we will discuss. We are going to discuss the review exercise 2. So, question 1 is draw the number line and represent the following rational number. Draw the number line and represent the following rational number. So the part 1 by 2. First of all, we have to draw the number line which is from 0 to plus minus 2. I mean from minus 2 to 2. So here, when we have to put 1 by 2, well, first of all, we have to convert it in the rational form, where we get okay. Now we have to put this 1 into 1 by 2. When you solve it, we have answer of about 0.6. So we have to put it between the 0 and 1. Okay, we have to put it in between 0 and 1. Number 2, 3 into 1 by 2. Here we are going to draw a number line from minus 4 to 4. Now first we have to solve the equation 3 1 by 2. When we solve 3 1 by 3, sorry, then we have the answer around about 3 point something. So we are going to put it in between the 3 and 4. Part number 3, minus 1 by 4. Same as it is as we have done in our last 2 questions. First of all, we have to draw a number line from minus 3 to positive 3. Then we have to simplify the equation 1 by 4. When you simplify it, it will be 0.1 by 1 point something. So we have to put it between the minus 1 and minus 2. Same as it is part number 4. Here we put a number line, draw a number line between minus 2 to plus 2. And when we solve the equation, then the answer is between minus 1 to minus 2. Now find the additive and multiplicative inverse of the following rational number. What is the question? find the additive and multiplicative inverse of the following rational number, where the part number 1 is minus 14. As I already said you that in additive inverse we just only change the sign of our number, and in case of multiplicative inverse we just change the numerator in denominator and the denominator into numerator. I repeat, in additive inverse we just change the sign of our given number, whereas in multiplicative inverse we change the denominator into numerator and numerator into denominator. So the additive inverse of minus 14 is 14. Here we convert the sign minus into positive. So our answer is minus 14 is 14. Same as it is in multiplicative inverse of minus 14 is 1 by 14, minus 1 by 14. Here we just change the denominator into numerator, whereas numerator into denominator. Now part number 2, 1 by 5. So here the additive inverse of 1 by 5 is minus 5. Minus 1 by 5. And the multiplicative inverse of 1 by 5 is 5. Here the answer, multiplicative inverse of 1 by 5 is 5, because if it don't write 1 in denominator, then there is no problem. Now the part number 3, minus 2 by 3. Additive inverse of minus 2 by 3 is positive 2 by 3. And the multiplicative inverse of minus 2 by 3 is minus 3 by 2. Here we just change the 3 which is in denominator into numerator, and 2 which is in numerator and convert it to denominator. But we will not change the sign in multiplicative inverse. Okay, you must remember that we will not change the sign in multiplicative inverse. We just change the numerator into denominator and denominator into numerator. So our answer of minus 2 by 3 is minus 3 by 2. Part number 4, minus 11 by 27. Additive inverse of minus 11 over 27 is 11 by 27. And the multiplicative inverse of minus 11 by 27 is minus 27 by 11. Multiplicative inverse of minus 11 by 27 is minus 27 by 11. Now, question number 6. Put the correct sign greater than, less than, or equal to between the following pairs of rational numbers. I repeat. Put the correct sign greater than, less than, or equal to between the following pairs of rational numbers. Part number 1, 1 by 4 and minus 1 by 2. 1 by 4 and minus 1 by 2. So the solution is, first of all, we have to take LCM of 2 and 4. Now we get 1 by 4, which is equal to 1 multiplied by 2 over 4 multiplied by 2. Because our LCM is 8, so we will multiply 4 with 2 to get 8. Now we will multiply by 2 on in the equation on both sides, the numerator and denominator. 1 multiplied by 2 over 4 multiplied by 2, which is equal to 2 by 8. Now same as minus 1 by 2. Here again we will multiply 4 with numerator and denominator. 1 by minus 1 by 4, minus 1 multiplied by 4 over 2 multiplied by 4, and the answer is minus 4 by 8. Now we have to compare 2 by 8 and minus 4 by 8. When we compare, we know that 2 by 8 is greater than minus 4 by 8, or we may say that 1 by 4 is greater than minus 1 by 2. I repeat, 2 by 8, when we compare 2 by 8 and minus 4 by 8, then we know that 2 by 8 is greater than minus 4 by 8. So we have to put the sign which show the 2 by 8 greater than minus 4 by 8. Or we may say that 1 by 4 greater than minus 1 by 2. That is our answer. Now part number 2. 2 by 3 and 1 by 5. 2 by 3 and 1 by 5. Solution, first of all, we have to take the LCM of 3 and 5, and our answer will be 15. Now first we have to take first ration number 2 by 3. Here we will multiply 3 with 5 to get the answer 15. So we will multiply 5 both numerator and denominator. 2 multiplied by 5 over 3 multiplied by 5. And the answer will be 10 by 15. Now same as in case of 1 by 5, we multiply by 3 or on both numerator and denominator. 1 multiplied by 3 over 5 multiplied by 3, and the answer will be 3 by 15. Now again we are going to compare both the answers 10 by 15 and 3 by 15. We know that 10 by 15 is greater than 3 by 15, so we have to put a sign greater than. So the 10 by 15 greater than 3 by 15, or we can say 2 by 3 greater than 1 by 5. 2 by 3 greater than 1 by 5. Now part number 3. Here the part number 3 is minus 11 by 17 and 3 by 8. First of all, when we take LCM of 17 and 8, we get the answer 136. Now we will multiply 8 with 17 to get 136. So minus 11 multiplied by 8 over 17 multiplied by 8. I repeat, minus 11 multiplied by 8 over 17 multiplied by 8, and the answer is minus 88 over 136. Now 3 by 8, we have multiply 17 with 8 to get 136. So we will multiply 17 to both numerator and denominator. 3 by 17, 3 multiplied by 17 over 8 multiplied by 17, and we will get 51 over 136. Now again, we have to compare minus 88 over 136 and 51 over 136. Now we know that minus 88 or 136 is less than 51 by 136. So we have to put a sign less than between minus 88 by 136 and 51 by 136. Although 88 is greater than 51, but here 88 have minus sign, so any value which have minus sign always less than positive value. So we can say that minus 11 or 17 less than 3 by 8. Minus 11 by 17 is less than 3 by 8. Now part number 4. 10 by 13 and 11 by 14. 10 by 13 and 11 by 14. The solution is, first we have to take the LCM of 13 and 14, where we get the answer is 182. Now when we take 10 by 13, which is equal to, we have to multiply 14 with 13 to get 182. So we will multiply 14 on both sides, numerator and denominator. Here 10 multiplied by 14 or 13 multiplied by 14, and the answer will be 140 by 182. Same as 11 by 14. Here we multiply 13 on both numerator and denominator. So 11 multiplied by 13 over 14 multiplied by 13, and the answer will be 143 by 182. Now we have to compare both the answers, 140 by 182 and 143 by 182. As the denominator of both values are same, so we have to check the numerator, and we know 140 is less than 143, so we have to put a sign less than between 140 by 182 and 143 by 182. Then our equation will be 140 divided by 182 less than 143 divided by 182. Or we can say that 10 by 13 less than 11 by 14. 10 by 13 less than 11 by 14. That is our answer. Now part number 5. Minus 4 by 9 and 2 by minus 5. Minus 4 by 9 and 2 by minus 5. Now again we have to take LCM of 9 and 5 and we will get the answer 45. Now minus 4 by 9 is equal to, we have to multiply by 5 with 9 to get 45. So we will multiply 5 with numerator and denominator. So the equation will be minus 4 multiplied by 5 over 9 multiplied by 5, which is equal to minus 20 over 45. Now 2 by minus 5, we have to multiply 9 with 5 to get 45. So we are going to multiply 9 with numerator and denominator. And the equation will be 2 multiplied by 9 over 5 multiplied by 9. Here the minus sign is in denominator, and now we have to put it in the numerator. So we will get minus 18 by 45. Now again we are going to compare the both equations, minus 20 by 45 and minus 18 by 45. So here we have same denominator 45 in both equation. Now we have to check either the minus 20 is less than or greater than minus 18. As I already said to you that when a value have minus sign and it is and the number is greater, but actually in real minus, the sign having minus is always less than. So minus 20 is less than minus 18, or minus 4 by 9 less than minus 2 by 5. Now part number 6. Minus 5 by 22 and minus 11 by 25. Solution: minus 5 by 22. First we have to take LCM and we will get the answer 550. So we have to multiply 25 with 22 to get 550. Now we are going to multiply 25 with minus 5 and 22 in numerator and denominator. So the equation will be minus 5 by 25 or 22 multiplied by 25, which is equal to minus 125 over 550. Now minus 11 by 25. We have to multiply 25 with 22 to get 550. So we will multiply 22 in numerator and denominator, and the equation will be minus 11 multiplied by minus 22 over minus 25 multiplied by minus 22. The answer will be minus 242 or 550. So again, we will compare the both equations, minus 125 by 550 and minus 242 by 550. And we know that minus 125 is greater than minus 242, or we may say that minus 242 is less than minus 125. Then the answer will be minus 5 by 25 greater than minus 11 by 22. Now come to the question 7, which is solve the following parts. Part number 1, minus 19 or 55 plus 51 by 55 plus minus 21 by 55. Here we take minus negative values inside the bracket. So first of all, we have to open the bracket, which also change some signs, and then we will get the LCM of 50 of all equation, which is 55. Now, as the denominators of all the equations are same, so we have to multiply 1 with all the nominators, and we will get minus 9. When we multiply minus 19 with 1, we will get minus 19, and then the positive sign between the equation 1 and 2. Then we will multiply 1 with 51, and the answer will be 1. Then there is negative when we open the bracket of equation 3rd. So we will put here negative sign and 21. Now first we have minus 19 and minus 21. When we both values has minus sign, so we will add them because both values has same sign, and we will get, when we add minus 19 and minus 21, we will get minus 40. Now the equation will be 51 minus 40 over 55. The equation will be 51 minus 40 over 55, which is equal to 11 by 55. Now here we can simplify the equation. 11 by 55. Here 11 ones are 11 and 11 fives are 55. Then our equation will be 1 by 5. So class, that is our last part of today's topic. Now, if any student have any kind of question, he or she can ask. Number line question. Okay. In number line, first of all, we have to draw a number line, a suitable number line. First, we have to check where the number will be put. So, as in part number one, you can see that 1 into 1 by 2. When we solve this equation, we will get the answer around about 0 point something. Now, for easy, we have to draw a number line between -2 to 2. And now, when we have simplified the equation 1 by 2, and we get the answer 0 point something, so we have to put this rational number between 0 and 1. Okay, I hope you may understand. If you have still a confusion, you can ask. Then I think we have already done question number 3 of exercise 2.3. Maybe you missed, or I will check again. Then, inshallah, I will tell you. Then I think I have already tell you question number 3. Number line question. Actually, first of all, we have to check. First, we have to simplify the rational number. For easy, number. For example, we have to take the part number 1, where the part number 1 is 1 into 1 by 2. First of all, we have to simplify it. When you simplify, then we know that the answer will be between 0. The answer will be something about 0 0.6 or 7. Okay. Then we have to draw the number line between -2 to 2. As we know, our answer is 0 point something. So we will put the rational number 1 into 1 by 2 between 0 and 1. Okay, I hope you may understand. If you have any confusion, you can ask again. Any other question, class? Hurry up. Okay, class. Inshallah, we will discuss the remaining question in our next lecture. You have to practice all the questions we have done in today's lecture and in our previous lecture. So, inshallah, okay, Allah Hafiz.